In this video, we will show you how to check the question frequency. The system allows you to track the history of question use by providing statistics on how many times the question appeared in tests. To check the statistics, you should navigate to Tests and click Question Pools. When you click on the desired question pool, you can see the general information, the list of questions, assigned candidates, and statistics on the Question Pools page. The statistics represent the candidate's performance on question pools. You can see a table with information about difficulty, question type, occurrences, and the number of times it was answered correctly, incorrectly, or partially by either of these two, ratio, etc. You can see the Appearances column to see how frequently the question appeared. This column represents the number of times a question occurred in all tests in the system.